Located within a highly desirable West Oakville neighborhood, welcome to 390 Sandhurst Drive, a newly built custom executive home with just over 3,900 square feet of stunning living space. Showcasing a stucco and stone exterior, the stone walkway and a portico with a solid wood front entry door offer a stately yet inviting entry into a simply gorgeous home filled with beautiful appointments, including pot lighting, custom light fixtures, and exquisite chandeliers, as well as engineered hardwood or porcelain flooring with extra deep baseboards, while a multitude of oversized windows throughout the entire home drench it in abundant natural lighting. Off the reception foyer is an elegant formal dining area, while directly across is a beautiful living room. Both of these entertaining spaces featuring 3 art display panels with accent lighting. The living room additionally features a pocket door entry, making it suitable as a private library or home office. For those who love to share a glass of their favorite vintage with friends and family, the glass-enclosed wine cellar has an almost 200 bottle capacity, and the backlit accent panels are a beautiful way to showpiece a treasured collection. Nestled away from the principal living spaces is a well-appointed powder room with a modern vanity and a tiled accent wall, as well as a double coat closet with custom organizers. Open to above, the family room's grandeur is enhanced by its soaring cathedral ceiling and 2-story window, and its custom entertainment unit with built-in gas fireplace has electrical and HDMI plugs and rough-ins for audio and media needs. A striking color contrast of light and dark with stainless steel accents, the stunning custom kitchen showcases a huge center island with drop ceiling lighting and bar seating, quartz counters, contemporary cabinetry with interior accent lighting in the glass-paneled uppers, a hexagon tile backsplash, and top-quality stainless steel appliances, including a state-of-the-art Wolf cooktop with pot filler faucet, as well as built-in double-wall ovens, microwave, dishwasher, and side-by-side fridge-freezer, which has been paneled to coordinate with the cabinetry. Other wonderful features include instant boiling water from the double sink, soft closing cabinetry hardware, a recycling and refuse drawer, pot drawers, a built-in spice rack, as well as under-cabinet lighting. And off the breakfast area is a garden door walkout opening to the backyard. Down a side hall off the kitchen area is a mudroom with custom cabinetry organizers and direct access to the 2-car garage, while bridging the kitchen and dining area is a butler servery with a bar fridge for entertaining convenience. To the upper level is an open-tread hardwood staircase, and with its openness to the main level, the grandeur of the family room below can be readily appreciated from its landings. A glass railing at the hallway's southern end also maintains an openness to the foyer area while allowing the chandelier and 2nd-story window to brighten the space. This level showcases 4 exceptional bedrooms, all with walk-in closets complete with custom organizers, as well as ensuite washrooms featuring quartz top vanities and porcelain tiled finishes. The 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms all have windows with southern exposures, and both the 2nd and the 4th bedrooms' 4-piece ensuites have a combined bath and shower area, while the 3rd bedroom features a 3-piece ensuite with a glass shower. In addition, and a wonderful convenience for this level, the laundry room has been beautifully finished with quartz counters, a modern laundry sink, front-load washer and dryer, as well as cabinetry storage. The stunning master suite is a luxuriously appointed and generously sized retreat. The bedroom has a built-in niche ideal as a computer desk or makeup area, and the custom organizers in its walk-in closet offer exceptional storage space. The spa-like ensuite is as beautiful as it is bright, and this exquisite personal space showcases a custom vanity with his and her basins, a freestanding tub, and an oversized glass shower with a marble-tiled floor, a rain shower, as well as his and her handheld showers. This home also features a 2-car garage with a driveway finished with interlocking curbs, 8-foot solid wood interior doors, built-in ceiling speakers in the dining room, the kitchen area, and the master bedroom, is equipped with a security system with 8 cameras and DVR for convenience and added security, has a central vacuum system with hideaway hose, as well as a huge and newly fenced backyard awaiting transformation into a dream outdoor retreat. Fully finished, the lower level showcases outstanding family and personal spaces with the same attention to detail seen throughout the main and upper levels. Oversized windows and pot lighting naturally and ambiently brighten this level, and just off the staircase landing is a large workout room with a rough-in for a television. A spacious bedroom is complete with a double closet with custom organizers and its 4-piece ensuite washroom, as well as another 4-piece washroom on this level, have vanities with quartz counters, bath and shower combos, and porcelain tiled finishes. The massive recreation area has a rough-in for a TV, as well as a wet bar with quartz counter, and just off this space is a storage room with access to a cold cellar. Within the catchment areas of Pine Grove and Brookdale Public Schools, as well as Thomas A. Blakelock Secondary School and steps to Brook Valley Park, this home is also close to public transit, places of worship, and the South Oakville Centre Shopping Plaza, as well as being just a short drive to prestigious Appleby College, Oakville Place Shopping Centre, the Bronte GO Station, and access to the QEW.